What is good, YouTube? Dinno checking in, and as you might be able to tell, I am extremely happy. And the reason for that is we just hit 100 subscribers. I am immensely thankful, and I cannot explain how much I love y'all. Thank you for all of the support that you've been giving me, and I promise to pump out more videos and content very, very soon. So, with that out of the way, let's get right into the video. What is good, YouTube? Dinno here, and in this video we are going to be modding a $30 keyboard that I got off Amazon, the Reedragon K552. Now this thing is an insane deal for what you get. It's a $30 keyboard with prime shipping. It has LEDs and it actually has decent build quality. It's heavier than my KBD 67 Lite. And it comes with reds, blues, browns, and these weird keycaps. But one bad thing is this Reedragon logo. Like, why did you even put that there? But when we mod it, we are definitely taking that off because you could just erase it off. And it also has a non-detachable cable and flip out feet if you want a better typing angle. So yeah, I got the red switches. They are dust proof, but we are going to be switching those out because there are Utemu hot swap sockets, which we are going to be putting some Akko rose reds into because I love those switches and it's a pretty cheap switch. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so I got an eraser, and apparently you can just erase the Reedragon logo right off of the keyboard. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next 10 minutes. So I'll be back when I'm done. Alright guys, checking in real quick. I've been going at this thing for probably about 5 minutes now, and it's definitely wearing off, but this is going to take a lot more work than I thought it would. Yeah, it's coming off, I think. So let's keep going. Okay, got it all vacuumed up and it looks nice and clean. Doesn't sound good yet though, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, so the first mod that I'm doing to this keyboard is the Tempest tape mod. I do this because it will make the reverb off the sound of the tape instead of the case, therefore making it sound less hollow. The Tempest tape mod is probably the easiest mod and one of the most effective that you can do to your keyboard. I'll link a video by nearLucid about it in the description if you want to learn more. But I ended up putting 3 layers of painter's tape on mine. I also added some noise detonators inside the case to reduce the reverb. Now for the stabilizers. I just lubed them with Krytox and clipped them with nail clippers. After that, I tested them and realized that the spacebar needed to be Band-Aid modded. So I did that. The Band-Aid mod aims to reduce the room that a stab has to wobble or rattle. After that, I PE foam modded the board, which consists of adding a thin layer of PE foam between the plate and the PCB. People do this to make the keyboard sound like marbles. A famous board that utilizes this mod is the Jelly Epoch, which is known for its signature pop sound. After that, I screwed the whole board together and made holes in the PE foam for the switch pins to go through. Then I finally added all of the switches. Like I said earlier, the switches are Akko CS Rose Reds, which are linear and on the budget side of the switch spectrum. If you want to know more about these switches, then check out the review I did on them. Keep in mind that I left the 6 keys on the side cluster unlubed so that you can hear the difference between lubed and unlubed. After I added all the switches to the board, we can do the final step, putting on the keycaps. I got these cheap $30 keycaps off Amazon with Japanese sublegends, and I think they look amazing with the keyboard. And just like that, we're done. So, here's a sound test. So I really like the outcome of the board, and for about $100, I'm really proud of myself for being able to mod a pre-built keyboard and have it come out like this. I really did not think that it would come out even close to how good it turned out. And thank you again for 100 subscribers. I really appreciate the support that y'all are giving me, and I have more videos in the making. But that's all for now, guys. Peace out.